Welcome back to another video. I got some more parts here that we demoed and I'm just going to lay them all out so everyone can see what we got. Starting out here with some conventional smokes. A lot of Simplex today. These are 2098 9201, and I'll keep these bases separate. This is a 2098 9637. And then also a module here, 2098 9738. So I'll be selling each of these separate. The system sensor 2WTR-B, 2-wire base, and I'll sell this with the base. This is a Notifier FSP 851. And this one's a system sensor 1851DH. Most likely you won't be able to read these numbers and letters. This guy is going with these duct detector housings. Carrying on here, we got some pull stations. Started off, looks like a 4251. Grab my handy dandy keys. So 4251-20. This one's a 4251-21. I don't know the difference between the 20 and the 21s. But leave a comment if you do. Here's an Edwards GE branded pull. Hard to see this label here, but it's a 270 DPO. This one's missing the pull. I'll toss this if I can't simply put this on, unless I hear otherwise in the comments. Here's a good condition one, 270 DPO. Firelight BG10A. And then one more Edwards pull. Getting to this larger box here, these are system sensor, duct detector housings, and including is the smoke. So these are DH1851 AC. I believe these will all be AC. I'll let you know otherwise. Getting to some horn strobes here. 2901-9838. This horn here. And then the strobe looks like a 4903-9101. Here's the sticker. Here's some back plates. I don't have the part number on this. However, I will be listing these. And as well as this back box. This one's a 2975 9145 or around that number. This is the haul for today. Let me know through Discord or however means possible if you're looking to hold these. You will need some KD points, which is through Discord, and the link will be below. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a good weekend.